Hello again. Back in Studio B, my favorite studio. The other one was Studio A. I didn't care for Studio A, so I've been in Studio B for a long time. Anyway, 3 stocks to look at. 3 stocks that I've liked in the past, I looked at in the past, I thought about buying in the past. I owned one of the 3, just one. The first one I'm going to talk about is KO, Coca Cola. The ones that say, be less white. The ones that had supported the Ku Klux Klan by giving them a whole bunch of Coca Cola in the 1800s. They flipped. The ones that could have bought Pepsi really cheaply, I think in the 1800s or 1900s or whatever it was. Okay, let's look at Coca Cola. $52.89 was the close. It has a dividend yield of 3.48%. It has a beta of either 0.6 or 0.53 depending on where you check. Beta was great. The price is okay. The yield is not very good at all. I don't like stocks that give me 3.48%. That's too low of a yield for me. But I looked at Coca-Cola. I liked Coca-Cola at one time. I used to like Walmart at one time. I owned some Walmart stock. I sold it. Bought another stock. Okay, so the next thing is Pepsi. The current price of Pepsi is $160. According to Yahoo, the beta is 0.58. According to Market Watch, the beta is 0.68. The yield is 3.16%, worse than Coca-Cola. If you were forced to spend money in either stock, Coca-Cola, here I come. Even though they want you to be less white. But I wouldn't want to buy Coca-Cola at this point. I'm not even sure about the bottling companies. I haven't looked at the bottling companies. This is Coca-Cola, the main company. Okay, now the other stock is not a beverage. It's Hawaiian Electric. Hawaiian Electric. Let's look at it. The current price is $12.30. If you are a equity investor, the high for 52 weeks was $43.71. The low was $9.06. It's closer to the low part. There was a tragedy, a wildfire on Maui. I was reading today, a caption said that the stock price went down 40%. I'm bullish on this stock. Bullish. Right now, it's $12.30. I was buying it when it was 19-something a bunch of years ago. Oh, man, this stock. This stock is for equity investors would lose out. If they buy it now, I expect the price to increase again. But forget about equity right now. Let's take a look at the dividends. In 2005 to 2018, one of those years I had bought some Hawaiian Electric. I don't know when it was, 2018 or 2005. It was after 2005. It could have been 2018. But that's when I was looking at it. I think it was either 31 or 34 when I bought the shares. It was around $19 or $20. It was a 5% yield at the time. That's the base that I like, is a 5% yield. But anyway, from 2005 to 2018, the dividend stayed steady. The quarterly dividend was 31 cents. 2019, it went up to 32 cents. 2020 is 33. 2021 was 34. 2022 is 35. And this year is 36. So for those people who like to buy stock that increase their dividend growth stocks, it looks like a dividend growth stock. Those of us who happen to like yield, high yield, the current yield is 11.83%, according to Chip Ranks. According to NASDAQ, it's 11.71%. It's over 11% either way. The payout ratio, I forget where I got this information, was 68.37%. It could have been Tip Ranks, I'm not sure. Market Watch said that the earnings per share were $2.18. And then Yahoo Finance says it was $2.13. Whether it's $2.08 earning per share or $2.13, easy to pay a 36 quarterly dividend. 36, 36, 36, 36. It's cool. So, with a 11.83% yield, I'm bullish on this stock. The beta is great. The beta, according to Yahoo Finance, is 0.858. Excuse me, 0.58. And the Market Watch says 0.62. I love low betas. It's a little over half. So the more the market goes up, it tracks the market either 0.58 or 0.62. Less than 1. Any beta for me that's less than 1 is it's a good sign for me. I like that. Yeah, I was checking on the beta of Pepsi and Coca Cola both have good betas. 0.60 or 0.53 was Coca Cola, 0.58 or 0.68. Yahoo says 0.58 for Pepsi, and Market Watch said 0.68 for Pepsi for beta. They had great betas. Their yields just suck. I don't know. They suck strawberry shakes from McDonald's or strawberry shakes from In-N-Out Burger or strawberry shakes from Burger King. They just suck. Coca-Cola, what? A yield? 3.48%, and Pepsi 3.16%, and I got to spend $160 to get a 3.16% for Pepsi, and I got to spend $52.89. That was a close today, Friday rather, yesterday. Yesterday's close. I got to spend $52.89 to get a 3.48% yield. When I can spend less than $20, less than $15 for $12.30 at the close of Friday to get 11%, 11.83 or 11.71. Yeah. Go Hawaiian Electric. I used to own Hawaiian Electric. What happened was years ago when I was working at Walmart, I worked at Walmart at one point. And I was buying up all this Walmart stock, and I love Walmart stock, and I was buying Walmart stock because I worked at Walmart, and it was 28, 29, 30, whatever it was, a share was really low. Now, for equity investors, if they would have bought it when I bought it, it would have been a good deal for equity. Their yield sucks. I looked at it today, it was less than 2%. So what I did was I dumped my Walmart stock and then I bought Hawaiian Electric stock and doubled my dividend. Now, anyone that has Walmart stock and they want to sell it, they can increase their dividend to 11% right now if you had Walmart stock. But right now I don't have any Walmart stock. I don't have any Hawaiian Electric stock. I don't have any Coca Cola or Pepsi, but I am seriously looking now at my good stock, Hawaiian Electric. Have a great day.